Attention passengers, this is your captain speaking. We've reached cruising altitude. Feel free to relax, but keep your workflow secured. Our aircraft certification tool is now at the controls, navigating your aircraft certification from concept to compliance. At Nimbus Aerospace, we're redefining the aircraft industry with agentic AI and advanced manufacturing, building faster, cheaper, and sustainably. That's why we created ACT, your aerospace co-pilot for certification. It automates compliance matrices, generates audit-ready documents, and delivers real-time risk insights to keep projects on course. With ACT's simple dashboard, managing FAA-aligned documents like PS, CPs, and MOCs has never been easier. Certification doesn't have to hit turbulence. With ACT, you can accelerate certification, reduce risk, and unlock innovation. Visit nimbusaerospace.com or contact us at hi@nimbusaerospace.com to schedule a private demo. Thank you for cruising with us. Let's fly!